So this is the table that I drew up for the spoke orientation. You saw on the video that I'd marked 1 to 20 on the inner hub, and then on the other side you couldn't see it actually from on the video, but I'd marked 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 on the other side, and obviously the hole that was marked 1.5 was in between number 1 and number 2 on this side. So these are the spoke numbers for one side of the hub, and this is the spoke numbers for the other side of the hub. And then what I did was I'd marked 1 to 40 on the outer rim, and this is the lacing that I did. So 1 goes to 4, number 2 goes to 34, 3 goes to 8, 4 goes to 38, and you lace it up like that on this side, and then you turn the wheel over and then you do it up from this side. We go 1.5 goes to 33, 2.5 goes to 7, and that's how I knew that I'd got the spokes in the right orientation. And I also knew that the ones on the inside, the spokes on the inside were all the same, and the ones on the outside were all the same. So the ones on the outside are the ones that have the shorter bend to them, and the ones on the inside are the ones that have got the large bend to them. And so therefore I knew which spoke to put through which hole and where to lace it from the inner hub to the outer rim. Hope that makes sense.